Hello everybody, please welcome to another DCME feature release. So to complement the app updates, we've also made some changes to the admin console. So the first change is we now have the input fields for your key code and the information where the key safe is located. So that's one of the changes. We've made a change to the invoicing, so you can now add your bank details. These will show at the bottom of the invoices here. We have an option to delete multiple unassigned appointments from the one screen, so you can just select here and delete all of the appointments. We also have the option to export an appointment report in Excel. So that's appointment summary report. Export to Excel, we can do 7 days at a time. We can add sickness days for the future. So if we know that a staff member is going to be off sick, we can add future days. And we've also increased some of the text boxes so that you can put more information in these text boxes. Also, if we look, we've updated the email alerts, so there's more fields for your email alerts, so you can receive your medication reminders, manual scanning, medication mismatch, body map. So these are some of the changes for the admin console. There will be some more significant changes coming in within the next few weeks also. So hopefully, these small changes will add some value to your organization, and we look forward to releasing more improvements to the system over the coming months. Yet again, we'd like to thank you all for your custom, and always feel free to reach out to us if you feel like there's any features that are missing or that can further improve the usability of the system. Once again, DCME, Domiciliary Care Made Easier.